The house is located in the city of San Justo, in the province of Santa Fe, a town of about 40,000 inhabitants located 100 kilometers north of the provincial capital. The problem was to design a lot of 11.50 by 27.80 meters, a detached house through a mortgage Procreate program, which in its first stage of approximately 80 square meters addressed the requirements of a single young professional and was considered an extension of a one-bedroom suite. Given the small size, the need for interior square meters, and the decision to design the house on the ground floor due to costs, the strategy was a layout of programs and courtyards, seeking to tap the full potential of the land. The front yard serves as a buffer between the privacy of the house and the street. The contact with the street is materialized by a wall of concrete blocks with the concept of Brazilian Kobogo, setting a visual filter that allows the passage of the sun. This courtyard raises a contemplative relationship with the social area of the house from its vegetation. The social area is designed by taking the width of the site to enhance the visual spatial continuity between the front and rear courtyards. The link with the backyard is given through a partially covered space that is proposed as a meeting area around the barbecue sector in a more active relationship. Then the private area of the house is designed linearly on the south party wall, to achieve the best lighting and ventilation conditions. The bedrooms in the final stage will be articulated by an interior courtyard in the master bedroom, for contemplation and privacy, separate from the main courtyard of the house with a cement block filter. Regarding sustainability issues, we considered energy savings from filters and semi-covered spaces that mitigate the impact of direct sunlight but allow cross-ventilation. In turn, we put special attention to the insulation of the roof, for example above the slab and below the ceiling. We also used a solar water heater located on the roof, which acts as an alternative to the regular water heater, reducing the consumption of gas, which is a problem because there is no natural gas network in the city. Here's a look at the plan.